When you think of high-performance bolts, what comes to mind? Head bolts, rod bolts, or maybe even main cap bolts? Well, what about your harmonic balancer bolt? Are you still using that mediocre stock bolt? Earl's doesn't want you to take a chance. That's why we offer high-quality harmonic balancer bolts to fit most popular Ford and Chevy applications. Earl's performance harmonic balancer bolts are made from high-strength 4135 chromoly steel, and they're wrapped in a corrosion-resistant black oxide finish. Our bolts have a tensile strength rating of 180,000 psi, keeping that balancer securely on the crank, right where it belongs. Earl's crank bolts feature extra thick washers to evenly distribute the load, and we use only high-quality rolled threads to ensure that you get maximum thread engagement and accurate torque readings. Earl's bolts feature an extra tall 12-point head design to ensure maximum socket contact. This helps prevent stripping and slipping during the install and torquing process. It can also save you from some bloody knuckles. Don't throw your hard-earned money in the trash and stop using those one-time torque-to-yield bolts. Earl's harmonic balancer bolts are reusable, and to get the most out of your bolt, be sure to use anti-seize on the threads and under the bolt head when installing Earl's harmonic balancer bolts, then torque them to the Earl spec. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Earl's balancer bolts or any of our other performance fasteners, visit our website at earls.com.